Hi all, I am Rajendra and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the part 6 of Recycler View series, and in this part we will learn how to set Recycler View items on click listener and passing data to the other activity. So before getting started, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. So let's get started. So this is what we have done so far. We have implemented a recycler view with a nice and cool animation. After that, we have successfully implemented the search bar. So let's move to the next part. Let's go to the recycler view adapter. And now we have to set up the recycler view row item on click listener. So here we will write the code for the on click listener. So for the row item on click listener, we need to write a code holder dot item view dot set on click listener new view dot set on click listener. So this is the block of setting on click listener on recycler view row item. After that, here we will print a message. So here I will pass, let's say for now I am just toasting up a message. Item clicked, and here I will print the username. So for the username I will write this code. So here filtered data list dot get, I will pass here the position of the item and dot get username. Now let's test this. Okay, here we will make the position to final. So let's run this app. So here you can see that we have successfully set up the on click listener. Here we are getting the toast message with username. So this is the whole row item on click listener. So you can also set the particular view component set on click listener. So for the particular view item, so here you will need to write the code holder dot. So here I want to set the on click listener on the user image. So I will take the user image dot set on click listener. New. So here I will also print a toast. So let's again run this app. So when we click on user image pic, you can see that we have get a toast. So this is the on click listener. So now we need to pass the data to the another activity. So when user click on recycle view item, so it will go to the next activity and we will pass some data through the intent. So let's first create a new activity. Here I am taking a empty activity. Let's say user details. So here I am just deleting this code and writing intent. We will make the intent object. So this is the, here I will pass the context and we want to go the user details activity. So here I will give the name user details dot class. Now I will pass the data through the intent. So intent dot put extra, and here we will pass the data in the form of key value pair. So let's say username, and we will get the username from this code. So simply I will pass this, and then we will start the activity, and here I will pass the intent. So now so I am going to click on this, the Laura Michael, and so this is our user detail activity. Now from here I will pass the, we have passed the username. Now and inside the user detail activity we will get data from intent. So let's let's get the data from the intent. So here I'm going to write the code. So from taking the data from the intent, here we will set the get intent dot get extra, get extra, and inside the get extra we will pass the the key. What is our key? The username. So here I will pass the username. Get intent dot get extra. Username. Now here I am going to take a string variable and I will store this intent data to s. Now I am going to take a text view so that I can print the data. Let's give it to a ID. Let's say user name. Now let's take a text view variable here. Text view username. Now I will cast here a ID username equal to find view by ID user underscore name. So this is our ID, text view ID. Now simply I will set the s variable with the text view. So username dot set text s. So let's run this app and you will get your app ready. So I'm just clicking on it and you can see that uh, we have successfully get the intent data. So let's make it to the match parent so that we can see the properly text view and run this app. So this is what we have get from the intent. So now similarly we can also add multiple key value pair here. So just I'm copying and paste and let's say here user description. So DESC get user description. So here I am going to take another variable. So user description. So similarly we will set the with the same text view. So I am just concatenation here. So this is our user description here. So here you can see that. So in this way, we can set up on-click listener and passing the data from the recycler view row item through to the new activity with the help of intent. So this is all about on-click listener and passing data between another activity. So thanks for watching. See you in the